Are you struggling to get credit repair clients on demand? I'm Blade Tirado and I'm the founder of the Project Alpha. I'm a rapid results credit repair business coach who helps passion driven businesses scale their client base with absolute predictability. Because of my profession and the trust of over 12 different companies, each bringing in 6 and 7 figures, I can truly test every single angle and I can truly hone in what methods best brings in new paying clients with absolute predictability. If you're tired of buying leads, if you're tired of networking events, if you're tired of having to rely on cheap clients that nitpick you in price, well, listen up because I guarantee you this is going to change your life. I help my clients by bringing them a 4-step process that addresses the root causes of failure, removing blocks like self-doubt and fear, and showing them the best practices to get the clarity and the strategy they need to develop a thriving business with predictable income. Here's the best part. They have clients happily paying them thousands of dollars. And the best part is these clients come to them, meaning there's no more lead chasing. No more of that. So you want to know what works, right? Well, number one, your social media presence needs to be optimized in the right way to turn it into a powerful lead trap. Number two, you need to learn the secret to having realtors and dealerships referring you over new clients without you even having to go meet them. Number three, you need a CRM that just converts like crazy. And number four, you need to become that go-to credit repair company so that people come to you rather than you having to go and hunt and chase them down. I want to show you this exact process, but honestly, I hate webinars that are just full of just fluff. So instead, I'm going to offer you a strategy call, where we go over your entire business completely and explain the system that you need to implement to fill up your calendar with high quality, pre-qualified, scheduled, and confirmed appointments. But hey, there's no stress, no obligations in this call, nothing like that. I'm not going to do any selling. It's just going to be you getting actual value. And if you don't like it, we can both easily go our separate ways. I have to warn you though, we are only taking on 7 more credit repair businesses so we can be fair to each and every single one. So if you want to get ahead of your competitors, work less, and have a secret system in place that onboards clients literally as you sleep, schedule a call down below. Click this ad, schedule a call with me and my team, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. I'll talk to you guys then.